Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. We are gonna have a twin flame read today, and we're gonna see how are the energies of our divine masculines right now. What are they thinking? What do they want to convey? What is going on in the divine masculine's life? Let's see what comes up in the cards for our divine masculine. Okay. Divine masculine's energies. What our divine masculines wants to convey to our divine feminines. You might hear some noise in the background. That's my puppy. She's playing. I guess she just woke up. I don't know why. As soon as I started this read, she woke up. Okay, let's see the energies of our divine masculines. Yeah. I don't feel it as a very stable energy right now. Yeah, I don't feel it as a very stable energy. I won't say it's emotional imbalance, but some kind of imbalance that's maybe not harming the divine masculine emotionally, but it's still messing up with their mind. Yeah, it's kind of messing up with their mind. Okay. So, for the energies of our divine masculine, this particular divine masculine just ended some kind of relationships. Could be with their family members, could be cutting ties with other friends, family. It's somewhat related to their family that they are cutting their ties off. Some relationships have ended in their life, and they have ended it because this particular divine masculine, I feel, is a very calm personality, a very emotional, shy person, but right now they have become so cold, they've become so abrasive that this person, if anybody sees this person now, they would just never expect them to be the way they are behaving right now, the way they are doing everything. And that is because of the divine feminine, that's because of the Queen of Pentacles. It's not a bad thing. This particular divine masculine has realized what is that they want in their life, what they need to do, and this energy of this divine masculine, divine feminine, has actually given the divine masculine the strength to be cold, to be demanding, to be asking for what is right for them, to be standing up for their rights, to be it just feels like everyone's blaming this divine masculine, but they are holding themselves stronger, they are holding themselves very stronger, and I do see them coming back. I would say this particular divine masculine like doesn't live with their family or something, so they are coming back to their home where they have grown up. All those childhood memories, all the memories, they're actually thinking of all that right now, and eventually they will be traveling to this place too. Yeah, let's see what else do we have in the energies of this. Okay, so there's definitely marriage for this particular twin flame, this particular divine masculine and feminine. There is victory for them. So this particular twin flame has actually, what I feel is, they have done all the inner work. They have been separate for a long time, but there's a lot of victory that I see here. There are celebrations. yeah, the masculine is actually approaching the divine feminine. There are people around enjoying the celebration. So yeah, let's see what else. Yeah, so then it's the world card. As I said before, divine masculine would be traveling, which has come up again because they do not stay with their family. There's some overseas travel I see, but I do see this particular divine masculine is laughing. They are happy in the current energies. What I feel is, after doing all that, after cutting up the ties, after cutting up what was blocking them from coming towards this divine feminine, this divine masculine is so much happy. They are like, I can do anything. I have all the opportunities in my hand. I have the whole world in my hands. And they're not scared anymore. Maybe this particular divine masculine was scared before in the past, but now I don't see they're scared anymore. They're facing all the difficulties, everything with such a smiling face. You see the face of this person right here. So this is the energy. This is particularly the energy of this divine masculine. This is the time they've been waiting for. This particular divine masculine, whenever they look at the past, whenever they reflect back, they're like, I have come so far away. And now they don't want all those people around who have been creating troubles in their life. They really don't want all those people. They have cut ties with everybody, be it their family members, be it anyone. But now when they're reflecting back and they're like, wow, like I have come so far. And they are actually looking at a place too. They are looking at a destination too where they have to go. So as I said, again, it's coming travel for this divine masculine. There's so much of traveling for this masculine. But now they are stable. This particular divine masculine's energy is stable. They know what they're looking towards. They know what they have to do in their life. They know which person is waiting for them. And also, one thing that I'm feeling in this particular read, the feminine energy, the divine feminine, she does not know what's going on with the divine masculine's life. Like, she is, whatever is happening on, suppose, my right hand side, and divine feminine is looking towards the left, and all she's looking at is her career, whatever work she's doing, job. She's just concerned about her pentacles. And see, this particular divine feminine, she's only looking at her pentacles, and she's only concerned about this, not looking towards the divine masculine or the divine masculine energy. And she has no idea what's going on. Neither the divine masculine is contacting the divine. I don't see communication here. There's no communication in this whole read till now. But the divine masculine energy now, I feel, is stable. They know they have to go towards this particular divine feminine. They are cutting off their friends, all their friends who are not supportive, and whom this particular divine masculine thought that could be their friends for lifetime. But these friends, they eventually have to cut off from their life, and everyone's just leaving. This divine masculine is standing all alone right now, still very stable, still very strong. Let's see if this divine masculine wants to convey something to our feminines. Divine masculine, if they want to convey something, okay, they want to convey a lot of things. Let's see what comes up in the cards. Okay. this particular divine masculine is working hard. They are looking at the situation very closely. They can see everything. That's what they are trying to tell you, divine feminines, that this masculine is looking at everything. They're trying to figure out a way how they can fix everything in their life and how they can come and approach you. Might need someone's help, some elder friend, sister. They might take someone's help to come and approach you, but there's definitely this marriage coming up for you. There's definitely this very it's a very strong decision that this divine masculine has taken, and that is going to give them a lot of abundance in life. That's giving our twin flames a lot of abundance with the Six of Pentacles. There's raise in your finances, you know, your overall situation is going to improve. And this masculine is telling you, divine feminines, do not think too much. Do not worry about the finances too much, because I am coming. Keep up with your strength, because this twin flame journey is your strength. So please keep up with your strength. Do not feel caged. Do not feel caged by whatever's happening around or whatever you're thinking right now, because I am coming. And I am coming directly just to get married to you. Do not worry about any situations that you feel caged in, you're feeling bound, because this feminine energy, maybe she's feeling very caged right now, but the divine masculine is saying you to keep up with your strength. This twin flame journey is your strength, so keep up with it. Whenever you feel low, think about the twin flame journey, and it's gonna give you a lot of help. It's gonna give you stability. You have to draw that thin line so you can have a stable mind, because if you have peace in your mind, then only, you know, everything else is possible in life. That is our twin flame read. That is the energy of our divine masculines. If this read resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, guys. And also, if you want a personal read with me or any of the twin flame coaching, yes, I do provide twin flame coaching too. So if you're looking to heal your separation or looking to heal your chakras, not able to find the right way, don't know if anything is working on your part, trying all the meditations, all the yoga, still not able to cope up with the whole thing, then definitely you can visit my website. I'll post the link in the description down below. Website is unitingflames.com, and you can simply contact me from the contact form, the appointment form, whatever would be there. So that's how I provide twin flame coaching. And if you want more of such reads, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all in the next read. Till then, take care. Bye bye.